how to turn up brightness on PS5. So there are three different ways of doing this. One of them will hopefully work for you. So first of all, we're going to go to the settings for our first one. So go ahead there, top right hand corner of the home screen. Then you want to click on accessibility in the settings menu, display and sound, and then go down to color correction. Here you'll be able to enable the color filter and then change the color filter to one of these other ones that might be a little bit different for you, and you better click on intensity and you can go ahead and turn that up and down. So hopefully the color is a bit more full on your TV. The second way, you want to go back to the settings again, but this time go down to this part here where it says screen and video. Then you want to go into video output, go down until you see this one here where it says adjust HDR. Within there you can go up or down, left and right, and it's going to change how the color looks on your TV and your PlayStation 5. Or you can go direct on the TV. For me, this is the Samsung TV, and you can just go to the settings on that. It will be similar on other television devices as well, whether it's on Hisense TV, whatever it is. You can go into the settings there, and then you'll be able to change the brightness on your television set, and there should be a brightness setting somewhere in there. You just go ahead and turn that up within there. So hopefully one of those three methods work for you. If it did, leave a like on the video and subscribe for more helpful videos like this one.